Today I'm going to show you how to replace a screw-in seal on a fridge or freezer. These types of seals are usually found on older models. First, start by removing the old seal. Lift it up and underneath you'll see some screws. You don't need to remove them completely. Just loosen them slightly to save time. You can use a screwdriver with a 1/4-inch socket or a drill with the same size attachment. Loosen the screws all the way around the door. Once the screws are loose, you can lift the seal out from behind the door liner, and the old seal will come right off. Now the new seal we've sent you looks just like this. On the back, there's a small lip that hooks behind the door liner. To install it, take the new seal and carefully hook it behind the door liner. Press it in with your fingers, making sure to work your way around the door. You'll feel it clip into place as you go. Once it's fully clipped in, lift the door liner back up and tighten the screws. After all the screws are tightened, the door should close perfectly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.